Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to HCLTech 25 GET Graduate Engineer Trainee and Graduate Trainee hiring step-by-step registration for the batch of 25. I hope all the videos I am sharing that is helpful for all of you, and apply for opportunity. I am sharing all the official notification. There is a update from basically 2025 batch BE BTech hiring. You can see graduate engineer trainee hiring here. They mention 65% plus in 10-12th UG, and the thing is Lucknow, Nagpur, Madurai, Vijayawada is the location, and in the previous post they mentioned 70%, and here they mention that Noida, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad is the location. Okay, and this is for graduate trainee role BBA, BCA, BSc, BCom 2025 batch. Okay, 60% is the criteria. So we will see the step by step registration. Both the links are same for GET role, so no need to confuse. And for the GT role, this type of page will be open. Okay, so first of all you have to go to this page and you have to fill this form. Okay, so I am using all the new details, so I am filling this form. So after registering on the portal, you will receive this type of mail 0 minutes ago. HCLTech, dear Lokesh, thank you for registering for freshers hiring program at HCLTech. You may directly log in and start filling your application form by clicking on button. Okay, so this type of page will be open. Register yourself, verify email, fill application form online and submit application. So click on start application. Okay, and click on apply now button. So the page will be open. We have to complete this by 100% details. Okay, so first is candidate consent. So after filling all the details, you have to click on is permanent address and as same as for communication, yes. When you click on next, so 30%, 40% profile is completed. Now we have to fill. You have to put your 10th class, school name, name of board, year of passing, marking scheme, what's your obtained percentage and roll number. After that, suppose you done only diploma, so you have to choose option both 12th and diploma. So this option, otherwise only 12th, so you have to fill this option. You have to choose like this. What's your highest qualification? You have to choose undergraduate, postgraduate. Okay, so they are asking your undergraduate state, so you have to fill the undergraduate state. What's your university? According to your university, you have to choose what's your college. Okay, after that undergraduate degree name. So many courses are come. BTech, what's your degree and specialization? So you have to choose the branch. Okay, so you have to choose branch this, and what's your year of passing. Suppose you are from 25 batch, your result is awaited, declared or pursuing. Suppose your result is you are waited, so you can awaited. If your result is declared or pursuing. Okay, so you have to choose the marking scheme percentage, and here marking scheme percentage are there. You have to choose what's your semester. So semester, tri-semester, you have to choose like this. Have you appeared for JEE exam? If you select yes, so you have to enter the JEE score, otherwise no. Okay, when you are available to join, so you can choose any of the date, May or June, so it is. Okay, and you have that the profile will be completed as a 74%. Have you previously worked with HCL? Suppose yes, so yes, otherwise no. Work experience, if you have yes, so otherwise no. Okay, then you have to click on next option here. So now the 80% profile is completed, and now finally we have to choose all the important points like passport size photograph, updated. Now here most important point, you have to choose your passport size photograph, updated resume, select one government issue valid identity proof to be uploaded, voter ID card, passport, then you have to upload all the things, and you have to click on next option here. So the profile is 90% completed. Have you done any certification course? If yes, so they will ask. Suppose you choose the AWS cloud. Okay, select your role. You are eligible for technical role, so UG candidate with 70% and PG candidate with 65%. Everything is mentioned here. Are you want to apply for technical role? Yes. What's your technical specialization? Cyber security, electronics, electronic computer science, you can choose like this. Specify. Suppose you are interested in full stack Java, Oracle, PL, SQL, okay, Python, so you have to choose like this, and you have to click on next option. 94% completed. This is applicant name, and next option. 100% profile is completed. Thank you for applying. to HCL Technology. When you click on submit application, so this type of page will be open. Your application has been submitted successfully. This is application number, and you have to message you will receive your application HCLTech is submitted. So this is the complete process, step by step registration. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.